Video diversion.
Is it really worth to consider using videos for promoting your business? The answer is simple. Yes, it's worth it. First things first, videos can make you some serious money. Here is why. Get more attention. According to Animoto, a product video is 4 times more likely to be watched than read about in text. Call the emotion. The combination of visuals and sound evoke emotion much more effectively. Pull your viewers in, connect with them emotionally, and then get them to the next step. Video lead directly to sales. Adding a product video on your landing page can increase conversions by 80%. Studies show that 74% of users who watch an explainer video about a product subsequently bought it. So start crafting your exciting product videos now. High-quality videos give you credibility and reputability, but some people will try to tell you video is too complicated and pro-quality video are hard to create on your own. You're better off hiring someone else to make your videos. Or you need complicated and hard-to-use video editing software to make animated marketing videos that actually convert viewers into sales. They're obviously all wrong. Now you can easily make your own high-converting videos in 10 minutes or less, near zero cost. No need additional software or plugins, but PowerPoint. All of these can be done by you even if you are not an expert. These are the easiest way of creating captivating videos. In fact, anyone can do it. All templates are high quality. Check out some of our animated video templates. Claim your discounted copy today. The price will increase at midnight tonight. Secure your special price now.